Hey, welcome back to the Smart Hustle Mom. I'm Jessica, your coffee dependent, career hustling mom, raising a 2 year old and somehow trying to have a life in between. Today, we're talking about something that's a lot of moms struggle with starting or restarting your career after having kids. Maybe you took a time off to be home with your little one. Maybe you're switching fields, or maybe you're just trying to figure out what the heck you even want to do now. Either way, I got you. One of the biggest fear mom have when re-entering the workforce is having nothing to put on my resume. Let me stop you right there. Being a mom has given you more job skills than you ever received in any internship. Think about it. Time management. You can get an entire human dressed and out of the door in under 10 minutes. Or at least you try. Conflict resolution. You've successfully negotiated with a toddler who wants to wear a swimsuit in winter. Project management, you juggle meal prep, doctor's appointments, and remembering school theme days. The trick is reframing those skills so they make sense in a professional setting. Let's talk about the resume gap. If you've been out of the workforce for a while, it can feel like a giant red flag, but it doesn't have to be. Here's how to spin it. Own it. Instead of ignoring the gap, highlight what you did during that time. Did you volunteer? Freelance? Take a course? Manage your household? Use strong language. Instead of saying, I was a stay at home mom, try manage household operations, budgeting, and scheduling while developing a strong problem solving and leadership skills. Because that's what you did, girl. That's what you did. Add new skills. If you're worried about being outdated, take an online course. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and even LinkedIn Learning have a great options. Let's be real. Interviews are nerve-wracking, even without a career gap. But the key to confidence, preparation. Practice common questions. You don't need a script, but you do need a general idea of what you're going to say when you are asked. So tell me about yourself. Know your value. Instead of thinking about what you lack, focus on what you bring to the table. You have experience, adaptability, and a crazy ability to multitask. Dress the part. Even if it's a Zoom interview, looking put together helps you feel more confident. Yes, that also means wearing real pants. When in doubt, channel your mom energy. The same voice you use when telling your kids for the 10th time to put on their shoes. Use it in salary negotiation. The patience you have when reading the same bedtime stories over and over, that's endurance, baby. And the ability to function on zero sleep, that's straight up superpower. Now, this week, I want you to take one small step toward your career comeback. Maybe it's updating your resume, applying for a job, or just reminding yourself that you're more than just a mom. Subscribe and share this episode with fellow moms who is ready to get back in the game. Bye.